Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my school carnival. Number 1. My school carnival was so much fun. Number 2. There were colorful decorations everywhere. Number 3. I had many exciting games to play. Number 4. I loved the ring toss game the most. Number 5. The food stalls served yummy snacks. Number 6. I ate popcorn and a big ice cream. Number 7. There was a magic show that amazed us. Number 8. My friends and I danced to lively music. Number 9. I won a prize at the balloon dart game. Number 10. The carnival ended with a fireworks show. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.